Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to VKS YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss all about mean, median, mode, standard deviations, and variance. Like we will just implement the code with the help of the Jupyter notebook. Okay, so let me just open the Jupyter notebook. So here we will just discuss like how we will implement the mean median mode with the help of the Python. So, okay, so go for the desktop and then machine learning intensive, then module one, and then statistics descriptions. So here only I will create one, go for the new, then Python. Okay. So here only I will just create one statistics folder. Okay, so let me just try it. Uh, okay, like what the mean, the median, mode, standard deviation, and at the end, the variance, right? Okay, got it. So now, so here the first question comes like, in which libraries or with help of which library we will implement all these things, right? Are you getting my question? Here, first of all, we should know like on which libraries or with the help of which libraries we will implement all these things. So there is a lot of libraries are there, so we can just take help of that libraries and we will implement all these things. But basically, I'm going to explain while taking 4 libraries, okay? And let me just write that all 4 libraries here, and then after that, I'm just showing it. Um, okay, so these are the libraries where we will take help of these libraries and we will implement the code. Okay. So first one is the NumPy. Okay. What is the NumPy? It is the fundamental package for the numerical computing in Python, which include a wide range of mathematical functions, right? So basically, NumPy is the numerical Python, you can say. Like uh, our goal is to find out the mean, median, mode, right? And standard deviations and variance. So all these are the what the command where you will implement these things. If you will just execute this command, then you will just easily get the value of each mean and median and mode and standard deviations and then variance, right? But you have to care about like the mode part in the case of the NumPy. So here the NumPy like NumPy dot bin count, okay, with arc marks, okay, functions. So here whenever just you will find out the mode part, you have to take care about it. Okay, so you will implement each and everything. So let's start implementations. So here those who are just new to this one, always remember this one is the one sale, and here the code is there. Okay, so if I will just write like this, okay, this is the headline part. Okay, it is in the note format, you can say. Just click here and go click here also and change to markdown. Okay, here code is there, na? You have to change it to markdown. Now let's give the hash and now write what using. So first point, what using NumPy. using NumPy libraries. Okay, using NumPy libraries. So now let's go for the first code. So if you will just use a NumPy, so no doubt we have to just what? We have to just write. Okay, we have to import what? The necessary libraries. Okay, import the necessary library. Okay, the necessary libraries. So what are the necessary libraries? Like import NumPy as NP. Always remember, here NP is what? Here NP is what? The alias. Alias means what? Like this one is the sub name, or it is the name which is denoted for the NumPy. Okay, so it's impossible like every time we will just write the NumPy dot mean, NumPy dot median. We can also write in the place of the NumPy NP. So here, let me just execute. If you want to execute here, you can just click Shift plus Enter, or else you can click here. The run part is there. Okay. So here automatically click. Okay. So now whenever just to execute this program, now see the program in the cell number 1 is there. It means what? One time I just execute this program. Right. So now let's go for the inserting the data. I will just insert the data manually. Okay. So let assume I'm just giving the headline that what? That insert the data. Okay, insert the data. So here I will just insert the data. Let data which is equal to let randomly I'm just taking the number. Okay, randomly you can also take any number. Okay, 43 and 36. Okay, 56. Okay, 65 and 56 and 30. Okay. So this one is the random number I'm just taking. Okay. So here, this number which will be stored in this form, and here one question I can just ask you, like what is the difference between the list and tuple? Please just check out the answer. This is uh, the basic questions the asked by the interviewer. Also, it will be in your semester exam, this question will become the 2 marks, right? So now, whenever just I execute this one, let calculate what? Let go for that mean. Okay. So here we will go for the mean. Now, so already 1 is there. So let me just click it I. Okay. So now go for the mean. Now, how to measure the mean? The command is what? NumPy dot mean is there. But here, our alias is what? NP is there. So no need to just write the NumPy. Yeah. So let me just clear it out. If I will just write the NumPy, whether it will be what? Yes, obviously it will be what? So NumPy mean function, if I will just execute. Okay. Okay. So here, the point is what? Here I already defined that NP. Okay, so let me just clean it. Okay, if I will just clean it, okay, now it will be what or not? Let me check out. Okay, so till now, what happened here? Here, mean dispatches missing one required positions argument A. Okay, so here the point is what? The point is what? Here, many students they will be confused. Why the answer is not coming? Let us assume I'm just writing the same things as NP, and same will be there, but many students they forgot to write that value here. Okay, whatever value, okay, I will just do intentionally wrong. Okay, so please just try to find out the things here. Only we will just learn like how we will just deal whenever the error will become. Right. So here these all element which will be stored inside the data, because here data is nothing but the one of the variable, right? So now, so let's try while writing the np dot mean, np dot mean, and then data. Will it be what? Yes, exactly. And now check out the both answer is correct. Clear? The both answer is correct. Okay. Also, you can just write while looking at good, it will be good format. Let mean which is equal to what? So np dot mean, mean, okay, data, mean data. Okay. So it means what? The mean value 38.44, it will be stored inside the mean value. And now if I will just execute, and if I will just say that print, okay, so mean, and now mean. Now see, the mean is equal to what? If I will just give here that equal to, and now again if I will just execute, now see the answer. Now how it's looking like. Okay. So likewise, you have to implement the code. Let's go for the next one. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, and double I. Let's go for the median. Let's go for the median. Okay. So if you go for the median, and here the code is what? Let's try that numpy dot median. Okay. Just pause the video and try by yourself. Okay. So now see, 36 is coming. Then np dot median. Okay. Then data. See, 36 is coming. And same process you can just try it. Let's go for that. Okay. Let's go for the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then mode. So here you can just be careful about, many students, they will just write like this. What? The np dot mode, then data. Now see, what is the problem? Module numpy has no attribute mode. So then what it have? Here, at the place of the mode, you have to write what? You have to write, okay, remember it, bin count, bin count. Here data is there, then you have to take the help of the argmax functions. If you will take the help of this one, then the point is what? Then it will be calculate the, like it will give the mode value. Here, why I'm just writing all these things? Because mode is what? Okay, mode is what? Frequently occurring number. Like here, the in this list, okay, 30 is repeated 2 times. So that's why if 30 is repeated 2 times, so that's why the mode is what? 30. So let me just again write that if 56 again written, mode 2 times, will it be work? Okay, let me check out. Let me just check out. Yes, 56 is coming. Clear? Okay. So now, okay. Oh. So now let's go for that. Let's go for the standard deviations. Okay. Standard deviations. Now 1, 2, 3 standard deviations. Standard deviation. So here standard deviation is what? Like you can just write that standard deviation is what? NP dot what? STD. STD. Then data. Okay. So now the standard deviation value is what? 17. Always remember why we are just writing that data inside this parenthesis, because we have to find out the standard deviation of these data. Inside this data, what is there? This list is present. Clear? Okay. So now let's go for that last one. last one is what? The variance. How to just calculate the variance. How to just calculate the variance. Now, so for the variance, what? The numpy dot var. Okay. You have to remember these things, this command, all command you have to remember. Totally depends upon your practice. Okay. So this is all about that using the numpy, we are getting all these things. Okay. So right now you are feeling that, okay, so this one is quite very easy while finding the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and variance, right? So let's go for the next things is what? Using the pandas. Okay. So here numpy we already used, as we already know that full form of the numpy is the numerical pythons. And here pandas is the one of the data frame. You can say that a powerful data manipulation and analysis libraries that provide the data structures like data frame and series. So I will explain with the help of the data frame and series. So now see here the command is given, all command is given. So let's implement this one and then it will be clarified. So here the second point is what? Using pandas libraries. Using pandas libraries. So now here the same data I'm just taken. Okay. I will just take help of the same data. Okay. No need to implement the new data. Right now, here I have to import what? The necessary libraries. Yes or no? Import pandas as PD because I have to implement with the help of the pandas libraries. Now it's successfully executed. Now, here, first of all, let's go for the series, and series is equal to pandas, then series. Please just check this capital or small s. Okay. Then data. Then data. Now executed. Okay. This one is the capital S. Now, if I'll just call the series, which series? This series. Okay, this one. Now check out. The value is coming. Now the value is coming. Clear? So here, if you go for that mean, okay, if you will just go for the mean, now check out what is the mean. So here, mean, which is equal to series dot mean. Series dot now here, okay, mean. Oh, sorry. This will be code. And now let me execute. Okay, execute successfully and then call it. See the answer. Okay, let me just compare it. So here 3844 is coming and here same answer is coming, right? So this is the mean. So likewise, you can implement okay, median and mode. Okay. So here, if you'll just ask that, sir, in that upper part for the case of the numpy, so for the case of the mode, we are just using the bin count arguments. So here will here also we will just use same things. No, here the mode attribute is there. Okay, so if I will just write mode which is equal to series dot mode. Now see mode. Okay, now see the mode. So 30 and 56 is repeated. Okay, so that's why it's showing the mode part. Now, next part is what? Next part is the standard deviations and variance. So hope you will just do that things. Okay, so this is all about what? So this is about that. This is about the series part. This is about the series part. Okay, about the series. So let's go for the data frame. let's go for the data frame. So here, data frame. So here, DF, data frame is the DF, which is equal to the help of the pandas. Okay, the data frame, data, comma, column, which is equal to value, values. Now, if I'll just execute, and now if I'll just call the df, now see the this. So it is in form of now how it's coming, now how it's coming. So the compare, if I'll just compare, it's looking like better. Okay, it is in form of the data frame, right? It is in form of what? Data frame. Here 56 is there, 30 is there. Okay, so everything is visible here. Right now, if you want to just check out like how to find out the mean here, here you have to just write like this dHep. Okay, so values, then just give what? Let find out the mean. Let find out the mean. Now check the mean value. So same thing, same code. Okay, for everything you have to just implement like this. So here mean is there, you can just write the median. Okay, now see for the mode. Okay, for the mode, now see. Then next, what? For standard deviations, you have to write same things. Okay, so let's go for that. So this is the task, standard deviations and the variance. Let's go for the next concept. Next one is what? Using the, yes, using the statistics. Okay, using the statistics. It is built in Python libraries that provide the function for calculating the basic statistics. So here, um, here you can directly just take a help of this code. Okay, take help of this code. Let me just take the help of this code. But before it, you have to import the libraries. What? Import statistics. Import statistics. And now let's go for that. Okay, clear. So likewise, you will don't forget to write inside the parenthesis the bracket. Here, why we don't write? Because in the series only we store that data. So that's why by default it is calculating the mean, median, mode. But here you need to mention the data. Okay, you need to mention the data. Now see the magic. Okay, so this is the task for you. Like you can just calculate the mode. Okay, so let's go for that. Go for the last one. Last one is what? The SciFi library. This library is used for the scientific and technical computing, which built on NumPy only. And these are the command. Okay, let's use it. Let's use it. The last one, SciFi library. So here we have to import what? You have to import the statistics with the help of the SciFi. How? Now from SciFi, you have to write it like this. From SciFi, you can also use the scikit-learn also. From SciFi, import what? Stats. Import stats. Now, again, you have to import what? Import NumPy as NP. Okay, so why I'm just importing all these things? Because what is written here? Here written, a library is used for the scientific technical computing with builds on the NumPy, with builds in the NumPy. For example, if I will just write these things, how I will just write this one Skype one. So here you can just write like this, np dot same things mean now data. This is the things. Okay, this is the thing. Like, or else you can just write, let go for this one. So you are getting this error. Why? Because the point is what? The SkyPy is not defined, right? So let's remove this one. Let's remove this one. And now, okay, because here from this SkyPy, you are just importing the stats, right? So if you are just importing the stats, then it means what? Stats dot tb. So now see here again, he just what? Missing one required positional argument. Okay, it means what? Inside it, what we have to write? Data. Now see the answer, right? So you have to execute all the program in this way only, right? So here we completed using the NumPy, using the pandas, using the statistics, and using the SkyPy. So if you are getting any other doubt, if you are facing if uh, like want to ask some of the doubts, you can go for the comment section and you have to just ask the doubt. I will just try to resolve that doubt. And the point is what, if you need this file, okay, whatever things I just did here, you can just go to that GitHub. Okay, the link will be given in the description part. Okay, and the machine learning intensive material is there. Just click here, and now here only you will just find the file. Okay, so I will upload here. Okay, and I just uploaded this one. So please just try to just click the star mark. Okay, this one is what here only you can just click the star mark. Okay, so please just try to click the star mark here. And now you can just download anything. For example, Anaconda 3 download part. Okay. And you don't know how to just download. Each and every material you will just get to find out. Okay. Everything is there. Everything. Okay. The statistical part is there. Okay. So you want to just do some statistical part in the mathematical level. Everything you will just find out here. Okay. Here only everything. And you can also download this one. Right. Okay, and for today, for this video, so we'll just do this much. And from upcoming video, I will just write the code, okay, in the advanced format. Okay, so please just do practice all these things. Remember, you have to play with the code on, right? Okay, good. So, bye bye.